Okay, day one done. It wasn't too bad. A lot more digging than I thought was going to happen. The stuff that we worked on last week wasn't quite perfect. We got this one all boxed up and ready to go. There's still that second one to do. I'm going to get up here early tomorrow, hopefully, and start digging the edge thickening, and then that, as soon as Matt gets here, we'll get that one all squared up and ready to go. Yeah, but other than that, good day. Again, it's 32 degrees. It's unbelievably hot, and the pumice is white. It shines like right up in your face. So I'm pretty sure I'm sunburnt. But yeah, day one done. Happy days. Yeah, we'll get into it tomorrow. So we're day 3. Today is going to be a bit of a tough day. We're shifting a lot of dirt, and we'll be kind of leveling and making sure it's all compacted and ready to go for steel and all that. There's also a few got to dig all the way around. There's like an edge thickening detail, which is 400 deep by 200. Josh did a good job yesterday of zapping at least half of that pad there. We had our first rugby training of the year yesterday, so my body is so sore. Barely walk, but gotta push through. We had the plumbers up here yesterday. It was pretty sick. Crazy to have so many trades around. I guess it's only going to get like that more often. Like a main plumbing line, and then all those there, you can see where the showers go in, and then there'll be hand basins that come in there, and then there's some. We'll put the toilets in on Thursday, so tomorrow. But yeah, hopefully, goal for today is to have all the dirt work done. Once all the dirt work's done, then it's just getting it ready for the pad, laying the pad, which will hopefully be next week. Alright, I guess I'm going to start digging. Right, so day 4 today. Probably just like yesterday. All about digging these footings. These footings are huge. Apparently, they seem pretty alright to me, but it's just a lot of hand digging. It's 400 deep all the way, 400 by 200 all the way around everything, and then each post hole, like you would have seen for yesterday, is 450 square and then 800 deep. So Josh and I did 10 on that one. I think we got like 9 to do today. But yeah, plumber should be here later, and they'll hopefully be out of here today. Hopefully be out of here today, and then we can start putting the mesh down. Mesh should hopefully turn up today. If it doesn't turn up today, it'll turn up first thing in the morning tomorrow. That pad on that side's all prepped up, nice and level, 100 down from the top, pretty much ready to go. So Yeah, pretty sweet. I'm up here nice and early, just making a start. Yeah, it's all kind of coming together. Hopefully we're ready for next week. Today's Thursday, so next week we should be able to pour. Got a few extra guys coming up. But yeah, happy days. Yeah, hard graft, man. Tell you that. It's a little bit cooler today, which is nice, but just digging. Right, so today is day 6. We're here quite early. Day 6 being a Saturday. It wasn't meant to be like this. We were meant to kind of just be up here tying a few meshes and that, but the concrete guys says if we don't pour Tuesday, we don't pour for another week after that. So it's pretty crazy. Matt's really nice and coming up. He's going to come up, do a bit of extra work on the weekend. I'm going to be here. I'll be here all day. I'll even camp up here tonight. It'll be quite nice, but it's going to be a long day. You can see we've got the poly down, meshes on. I'm just going to do a bit of tying, all of that. There's a bit of faffing about, but we'll get Matt onto all of that. The second pad, the one just over here, it's good. Everything's good. All the plumbing's in. That was the big thing last week. Get the plumbing in, get all the levels right because there's a step in the middle. We'll probably put the poly on today. Lay the mesh, and then Matt can go home, and I'll just spend the rest of my day tying stuff. So, sweet, nothing to it but to do it, I guess. She's looking good though. Look at that. Big effort by Josh and Matt on the Saturday. Got most of it done, most of everything. All the steel's in, ready to go. All I've got to do now is just go through and tie off everything, and then stand everything up on those little chairs, and we're done. Okay, Monday morning. big day today. I've got the building inspector coming in an hour. I'm just going to make sure everything's done. I got a little bit of tiling to do, and I got to stand all everything up over there. But yeah, I've never had a building inspector come around, so I'm a little nervous. Matt's not. So yeah, I'll give you an update after he's here. I won't film anything while he's here, just because. But yeah, I'll give you a bit of an update, what he says, how we're doing. Fast, hopefully. But okay, let's get to it. Okay, what, Monday afternoon at the moment. We got our building inspector smashed it out, gave us the old tick, ready to pour. So that's super exciting. Not that I was really that worried. I knew Matt had it in the bag, but it could have been difficult if he wanted to. I don't know. Everything was so perfect. Matt's done such an amazing job getting us to this point. Concrete tomorrow morning. Plan is, you can see the screw that runs through there. We're going to pour one half of this and one half of that one the first morning, and then hopefully if the concrete truck can put us in there, we'll pour the other half and the other half the next day. So Wednesday we should be done, and I'll be having a ice cold beer right in the middle of that pad. No, it's been pretty cool. It's been pretty amazing. It's a hell of a lot of work. I probably put 70-80 hours in myself. My brother's put heaps of time in. Paul and Elena have been absolutely working their ass off running our actual business in the background so that Josh and I can be up here. We're pumped. Concrete in the morning. Let's go. Fuck, it's early. I quarter past 5. Truck's here at 6. Maddie and the team should be here just off quarter past-ish. I mean, Jack's brains are all working and it's not morning. Quarter to 6-ish. I've just got to unpack everything and get everything ready for them. Well, that looks pretty good, eh? Yeah. 2 days of pouring, 27.5 cube of concrete for both pads. Yeah, I didn't do much filming on the second day. It was just chaos. This pad could get done before that one. Even though we poured it off, it was go time. So we were just spiking to make sure it got nice and smooth. Today's the big day though, probably last day I have on site for now. I've got Matt coming in. He's coming in a little later. and then we're gonna got some expansion cuts to do, and then we're gonna pull off all this box. So my job today now is just whacking out all the pegs. There's a lot of them. Yeah, so cheers. If you want to see more of this, there's heaps more to come. This is obviously step one. There's so much more coming. Got to build the sheds, which should take a couple of weeks. Fit out all the decks, all the landscaping, all the dry runs of operating a system like this. There's a lot to go through, lot to see, lot to do. So, yeah. Maybe think about subscribing. Watch the playlist. And I'll see you next time, bro.